So here's how to edit with Gemini AI. First up, you need to go over to gemini.google.com website, and as you can see, I'm already here. From the dashboard, click on the plus icon right under the text input field, and then click on Upload Files. Select the image you want to edit and click on Open. And as you can see, it's now being uploaded. Now type in the edit details that you want in the input field. And once you're done, press Enter or click on the Send button. And as you can see, the edit is now being generated. Once done, you will have your edited image right here. If you want, you can also add additional instructions in the text field. For example, if I want to make it colorful, I'll just type in Make It Colorful and press Enter. And as you can see, the image has been re-edited with colors. This way, you can edit any image however you want. And that is exactly how to edit using Gemini AI.